Hi, this is Meteorologist Steve Pellettiere, and thanks for checking into the weathermanpod.com on your Thursday. It is Christmas Day, the 25th day of the month of December 2025. And it looks like some wintry weather coming back into the northeast, and that is because of a winter storm watch in effect for the afternoon and evening hours on Friday into early Saturday, with a good possibility of these storms coming in out of the northwest towards the southeast, and that is going to bring us the possibility of between 4 and 8 inches of snowfall. Now, the area of snow that's going to be in the area is going to be centered practically right across northern New Jersey, southern New York State, New York City, and Long Island. As you go further south of southern New Jersey, it looks like the amounts get less and less, and then just traces down to Baltimore and even into D.C. as the storm will be to the north. And from the Albany area southward up through the a southern portion of New York State and around Rockland and Orange counties. That's where you might see a little bit of a max area as the storm continues to move into the region. That'll be during the evening hours on Friday into early Saturday. Today, not a bad day. It's going to be a partly sunny day for your Christmas holiday. Our high temperatures will reach the mid-40s. Now, there will be some cloudy times and a few passing sprinkles of showers. Tonight, partly cloudy. Overnight lows will be cold, down to 18 to 25 degrees. Daytime Friday, thickening clouds will bring us that snow probably sometime after 3 p.m. And again, this is centered right across central and northern New Jersey, southern New York, New York City, and northeastern Pennsylvania. To the south, it's just going to be a light amount of snowfall south of Philadelphia. And north of New York City up to about the Albany area could be some very heavy snow, where amounts could get up between 6 and 10 inches in those places. And that will also affect much of southwestern and western Connecticut and southern Massachusetts, and into even Rhode Island as the storm continues very quickly into the morning hours on Saturday. So temperatures daytime on Friday will range up to only near 30 degrees, so we'll be set already into that cold air. Then the storm moves down out of the Great Lakes and gives us the possibility of snow for the New York City area. And again, South Jersey, Brigantine, down to Atlantic City, Cape May, just light amounts, maybe coatings to an inch or two. But even further south from there, just the possibility of some rain and some snow showers. So there may even be some rain in the southern portion of this storm as it goes on through. This will be on Friday night, early Saturday. For the rest of this upcoming weekend, looks like it's the last weekend of 2025. We do have the possibility of some rainy weather moving in later Sunday and Sunday night. Then another Arctic front that'll be arriving on Monday afternoon. So although Monday early high temperatures will range into the mid-40s, by Tuesday, highs will only range in the 20s to near 30 degrees, and that cold weather will settle into the middle portion of next week. Now, if you're traveling by air today, good day to travel, because not many folks are traveling, but if you have to, here is the weather situation across the nation. A cold front will be arriving in the northeast sometime during the middle to later afternoon hours. There might be a sprinkle or a rain shower, even a snow shower associated with that front as it moves on through. But from New York City through the Boston area, no major weather problems for today. Today it's going to be pretty good in New York, LaGuardia, JFK, Newark. Any delays that you have, probably just associated with either traffic or operations. In the Boston area, no problems weather-wise there. D.C. also looking pretty good. Well, there's a little area of rain across West Virginia, eastern Kentucky, eastern Tennessee, and western portions of the state of Virginia around the Shenandoah will be advancing eastward and probably moving off the mid-Atlantic coast sometime later on tonight. But no problems flying in and out of New York or the Boston area. Chicago's also looking pretty good. Minneapolis, St. Paul, the possibility of some ice up there, so there could be some problems into Minneapolis. Down to Atlanta, also dry conditions for the most part. The rain will stay to the north. Some showers in Charlotte, but nothing major, so no problems getting in and out of there. Central and South Florida looking decent. Scattered showers and thunderstorms just offshore from Miami all the way down to the Keys. Dry weather after some early fog in Houston, dry in Dallas-Fort Worth. West Coast still with the rain. And there's flooding and flash flooding all across Southern California, starting from San Diego up to the L.A. Basin, all the way up to San Francisco, where there will be locally severe weather in San Francisco. So some heavy weather there as well, and also some flooding all across the state. A little bit less in the rainfall in Portland and Seattle, still showing some rain, but not as heavy as what we're seeing across central and southern portions of California today. So going into there will be some aircraft or air flying in and out of L.A., San Francisco, and San Diego today. Just want to take a moment to wish everybody a happy holiday season. We are now coming down to the last few days of this year of 2025 so far in the Northeast. December is running up about 5 to 6 degrees below normal, and looks like our snowfall amounts, if we do get that snow on Friday night, will be above normal for the month, and we haven't had that in several years. We'll update this weather forecast on your Friday morning and give you the details on a northeast storm. Till then, hope you have a great holiday day on your Thursday and Christmas Day, and we'll talk to you first thing on Friday. See you then. Enjoy the day.